Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials and opening Outlook. This avoids wasted steps. First, check your account credentials and server details so sync can begin. Once done, export or back up your mailbox to a PSD file for safety. If you suspect extensions, open Outlook in safe mode by holding Control during launch. This isolates add-ins. Make sure network access is stable. A flaky connection will mask many problems, and proceed to account checks to see what fails next. Now you dig into the middle steps to find the error source. Start send/receive and watch the status bar. Note any error codes and where the process stops. Next, review mailbox size and auto-archive policies because oversized folders can block sync. Then, examine client rules and focused inbox settings to ensure messages route correctly. A rule could be moving mail to unexpected folders. If using Exchange, compare cached mode versus online mode to isolate local cache problems. Finish by repairing corrupted data and confirming functionality. First, run the inbox repair tool, Scampst, against the PSD or create a new Outlook profile to rebuild configuration. This often resolves lingering issues. Then, repair the Office installation or reauthorize your account by resetting credentials and OAuth tokens to clear authentication failures. Finally, test send and receive with attachments, calendar invites, and large messages to verify all flows. If problems persist, one key troubleshooting tip: recreate the profile and retry before escalating to server logs or admin help.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.